Hey guys, what's going on? Emily here. So today I just got stuff for repairing my Redmi 5 Plus. So this is the phone. So without further ado, let's get started. This is my Redmi 5 Plus, and here's the stuff. Before we proceed to install everything from the new stuff to this Redmi 5 Plus. So before we begin to the repairing, I'm going to show you one by one what I ordered. So the first thing first is the button side, the inside one. Redmi 5 Plus on off plus volume ribbon button. It is very small, very small, as you can see. So here's the button. They include the already power on off, volume down, volume up connector. Alright, so the second thing is this should be the housing, the back housing, but as you can see it shows LCD box, more using of Y79 white. What? This is a LCD box. Let's see inside. Screen assembly, huh? Very nice box. Wow. So here's the rose gold housing. The original one is gold color, but out of stock I choose rose gold. So SIM tray not included, but power button plus volume up and down is included already. Very nice. And the last one is the LCD. We got the tools, bubble wrap for Xiaomi service pack. Very nice box. Let's see the inside. Wow. Got tempered glass. And finally the LCD, the new one compared to the cracked original one. It is same white color. What else we get? So we got the cloth for the wiping the screen before installing tempered glass. So here's the repairing a good screen save you more money than a cheap screen. Very nice. A barcode. Very nice. The glue. Very nice for the battery connector. That's fantastic. So I already opened it. See, this is the inside. I already disconnect the LCD connector, battery, and the power on off button also has been disconnected because the old one, everything is broken. So now let's begin to the installing everything to the new LCD and so on. So here's my place for repairing the Redmi 5 Plus. Let me adjust it. Went up. So I hope you can see when I'm doing the restoration, and hopefully everything is working. Let's begin. So happy that I'm finally able to restore my Redmi 5 Plus and everything successful without any problem, except the housing. The rear housing isn't fit on my Redmi 5 Plus, so I need to use the previous one, the original one, gold color, but it has a lot of bend at the side, so I just put it for temporary until I got another new one. And I hope you enjoy my video of restoring my Redmi 5 Plus, and I'm so happy. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for restoring my Redmi 5 Plus in the comment below. And so this is all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.